How to find someone on Snapchat by phone number. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'll be showing you the ways to find someone on Snapchat by phone number. So in order to find someone by phone number on Snapchat, first of all update your application and then go ahead and log in into your Snapchat account. Once logged in, click the Bitmoji icon from the top left hand side corner and then go to the gear icon. Right on this page you need to scroll down a bit and right at the bottom you'll be able to find this option as contact syncing. So here you need to make sure to toggle this button. After you've done that, restart your device or log out of your Snapchat and once again re-log in, and then you should be able to see the contact from your mobile devices that they are on the Snapchat. You should be able to see the contact that they actually have their Snapchat account. Apart from it, if you've already done this sync process and you're still unable to do it, so then you can also go ahead and log in into your Snapchat once again and then go to the search bar from the top, and then right on this page you can go ahead and paste in the phone number for which you actually want to go ahead and locate. So I'm going to go ahead and type in the phone number, this is the one. So as you can see, this particular phone number does not belong to any of the user, but then when I actually go ahead and paste in the exact one, let's see, this is the one, and you can see there are like list of people who actually have a phone number. Then you can see people who actually have their Snapchat. So that's how you can find someone on Snapchat by phone number. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.